On one day I got like 150 plus subscribers, and obviously initially I was like, whoa, this is absolutely great. If it continues like this, I mean, monetization is another month away. Now immediately I want to tell you that's not true. That's not true at all. You still need the 4,000 hours, and I firmly believe the only way to get those 4,000 hours is to do a proper job and have quality videos that people want to look at and have a high retention rate. Now, coming back to the different nations, I think that maybe in those nations there's a lot of poor people, and a lot of people are watching videos and getting paid for that. I don't know if that is true. If you know, then please leave a comment. Would I suggest this approach for you?